Do you want to make some extra money but don't know where to start? Look no further than AI-based money-making methods. These methods might seem weird at first, but they have proven to be very lucrative. First up, have you ever heard of a chatbot? They are automated software programs designed to simulate conversation with human users. By creating a chatbot and renting it out to businesses, you can make a lot of money. Secondly, consider using AI-powered advertising. With AI technology, advertising can be targeted to specific audiences based on their online behaviors and habits. This results in more effective ads and higher revenue. Another AI-based moneymaker is using machine learning to help with online shopping. By creating a shopping assistant that can learn your preferences and make personalized suggestions, you can earn money through affiliate marketing. Lastly, consider teaching AI. As they become more prevalent, the demand for people who can work with AI is increasing. You can make money by educating others about AI and its applications. So there you have it, some of the strangest but most effective AI-based methods to make money. Give them a try and who knows, you might just make a fortune. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this.